Digital literacy in the 21st century. Digital literacy are the individual's capabilities to be able to effectively and responsibly function and perform in a digital society. The term digital literacy was coined by Paul Glister in 1997, and it came from the discussion of the concepts on visual literacy, when images and nonverbal symbols try to capture the knowledge. Technological literacy, requiring on the one to be able to use technology in addressing a need. Computer literacy, which in the 1980s started to become a household item manipulated to achieve one's target. Information literacy, which refers to the finding, evaluating, using, and sharing of information. So, why is digital literacy so important? Students who are building digital literacy skills understanding the basics of internet safety, such as creating strong passwords, understanding and using privacy, and knowing what to share or not on social media. Digital literacies, media literacy, information literacy, ICT literacy, communication and collaboration, identity management, learning skills, and digital scholarship. Media literacy is one's ability to critical and read information or content and utilize multimedia in creatively producing communication. Information literacy is locating information from the web and interpreting which evaluating its validity in order that it can be shared. ICT literacy is knowing how to select and use digital devices, application or services to accomplish tasks requiring the use of the internet. Communication and collaboration are one's capabilities in being able to participate in the digital networks in their teaching and learning context. Identity management is being able to understand how to ensure safety and security in managing online identity and foster a positive. Learning skills are ways of knowing how to study and learn in a technology enriched environment. This is knowing to utilize technology in addressing the need to learn efficiently. And lastly, digital scholarship is being able to link and participate in professional and research practice. The 4C of the 21st century skills: critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration. Critical thinking is learning how to solve problems. It teaches a student not to accept immediate claims without seeking the truth. It is ability to differentiate facts from opinion and not only just learn a set of facts. Creativity requires students to think out of the box and to take pride in what is uniquely theirs. It means that they will be able to look at a problem from multiple perspectives. Creativity encourages students to think beyond the expectations of conventions. However, creativity may not ensure success all the time, but lead to another direction that can actually be a better way of figuring out how to solve the problem. Communication makes students express their ideas in the clearest and organized manner. Through varied modes, face-to-face, technologically mediate, or a blended medium, they need to know how to efficiently and clearly convey ideas. Collaboration, when students know how to work well with others to accomplish a given task or to solve problem at hand. This is 21st essential when students are made to work with others in a pair or in a team. They are given the chance to practice how to relate with others. The critical thinking teaches students to question claims and seek truth. The creativity teaches students to think in a way that unique to them. Communication teaches the student how efficiently convey ideas. Collaboration teaches the students that groups can create something bigger and better than you can on your own. Digital literacy has 8 essential elements: cultural, cognitive, constructive, communicative, confident, creative, critical, and civic. Cultural is how to behave, understanding the culture, history, language, customs, and values, and etc. of the internet and digital environments by knowing how to behave online, from netiquette the protection or to protection and privacy. Recognizing the difference between personal and professional use. Understanding how internet culture is expressed and transmitted through phenomena such as memes, emojis, and animated GIFs. Being able to seamlessly adjust to the different social environments of various applications. Understanding how online environments have changed the meaning of words such as expertise, publishing, and sharing. The cognitive how to do is how to do. The cognitive element incorporates what we know of as computer literacy or IT skills with an understanding of the key concepts. Having the ability to use a range of devices, software, platforms, and interfaces. Recognizing common features across digital tools such as navigation menus, settings, and profiles. Understanding concepts such as tagging, hashtags, and sharing. The constructive is how to use. The constructive element involves knowing what it means to construct something in digital environment, how the content can be appropriated, reused, and remixed. Knowing how to responsibly use and build upon someone else's work. Respecting copyright and understanding the concept of remix and reuse. Being familiar with the various Creative Commons licenses. Communicative is how to communicate. The communicative element is about, as the same suggests, how to communicate in digital environments. For example, knowing the purpose of various online tools and how they are different or similar to each other. Being familiar with the communication norms and expectations of various online tools. Understanding what identity, sharing, influence, and trust mean in digital spaces. The confident is how to belong. In order to participate confidently online, we need to feel as if we belong. This involves understanding and capitalizing upon the ways in which the online world differs from the offline world. Reflecting on one's learning in digital spaces. Being part of an online community. The creative is how to make. The creative element refers to creating new things which add value or add value, where the focus is more on the value created than the act of creating something new. For example, learning how to do things in new ways using online tools and environments. Immediately and critically thinking about how we create and share knowledge using digital technologies. Knowing how to create digital content to create value for readers. Critical is how to evaluate. The critical element is probably the element that is most familiar to those of us working in the library and information profession, as it most closely relates to both information literacy and the research process. Using reasoning skills to question, analyze, scrutinize, and evaluate digital content, tools, and applications. Knowing how to search effectively. Being able to distinguish credible sources from less credible ones. Civic is how to participate. The civic element refers to individuals having the knowledge and ability to use digital environments to self-organize, to be part of a movement bigger than themselves. For example, understanding one's digital rights and responsibilities, participating in social movements or the democratic process online, preparing both ourselves and others to participate fully in society.